Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to put image in table in Notion full guide. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is log into your Notion account. Over here, navigate to the official Notion website and click the login button. After that, you can choose continue with Google and select the Google account you want to use. Then, locate the page where you'd like to add an image inside a table. Over here, type /gallery on the page to change the view to gallery view. After that, you'll see an option to link or create a database. Then either connect an existing database or set up a new one. Now click on any card in the gallery to add an image. Then click on the empty text box inside the selected card. Over here, type /image in the text box. Then choose the image you want to upload from your device or online. So that's basically how you can put image in table in Notion. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.